Alright, guys. Let's see if that cat is still hungry. Where did he go? Baby! Baby! He literally just went. Like, he was literally just here a minute ago. Baby! He's up here. How does he disappear like that? Anyway, look at this. Look at that. That is one nice sunset. It's nice. Wait, is that baby right there? Look. There's the car. That's him. Guys, I officially found the cat.